Hi everyone, so I've got a spreadsheet here. What I want to do is lock cells so that people can't, or even myself, type into those so I don't accidentally overwrite anything. And maybe I don't want people to change things. So in this example, I just want people to put things into the quantity here. I don't want anything else to change. And I've also got a booking form on another sheet. All I want is people to type in here and not make any other changes. And you can do this by protecting the sheets. Now, if I do that, and I'm going to go to the review tab at the top here, and you'll see there's a protect sheet option. Now, by default, every cell is going to lock. So if I do that, protect sheets, I could put a password in. I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to come back to that. And you can see here, it's just going to select the locked cells and select the unlocked cells. So when I click on OK, I now can't enter anything in. So I'm just going to type something in and it comes up with a warning here. It's got an alert telling me that it's protected. So what I need to do is tell it what cells I want unlocked. So the first thing I need to do is go back to unprotect sheet. If you haven't protected it yet, you don't need to worry about that. I just click on it and it is now not protected. So to do this, I am just going to select these cells here. I'm going to right click, or if you're on a Mac, you might have to control click, and I'm going to go down to format cells. Over here, you can see it's got a tab for protection, and you can see it's locked. If I untick it and click on OK, if I now go to protect sheets, click on OK, I can select the other cells, try typing in, and I can't do it, but over here, if I now put in information, it types it in and it's fine. So these ones here can be changed, not these, which is exactly what I want. So on the booking form, I can go here and this sheet's not protected. So I protected this one. And if I look in the review tab at the top there, it says unprotect. So that one's protected. Come over to booking, that's not protected. So I just want these ones here protected. Now I could do them individually, or I could click on the first one. On Windows, hold down Control, or Mac, hold down Command. Select those. Right click or Control click on a Mac. Go to Format Cells. By the way, you might have your Mac set up with right click, so you don't need to do that control thing. And click on this for locked. OK. And now I can do Protect Sheets. Now, I could put a password in here. Bearing in mind this doesn't affect the other sheets, and I'm just going to have to verify it just to make sure I didn't make a mistake there. Hopefully didn't get it wrong twice. Click on OK. Now if I try to type something in there, won't do it. It'll allow me to do it here. And if I try this cell, it won't do it. And just to put this in here, I can automatically put in the date by Control semicolon. So there you go. So that's great. Now, if I want to unlock it, I do on this occasion need to put the password in. Click on Unprotect Sheets, put in the password, boom. If I protect it, I've got to put the password back in. It doesn't remember what the password was, so you've got to do that each time. So there you go. So that's how you can lock cells, so you're only inputting into the cells that you want. This is useful if you're passing it on to someone else, or if you're just entering things in and you just don't want to mess anything else up. You may have spotted that it also says Protect Workbook at the top here. That's completely different. I'm going to do a video on that. So if you're looking for that, look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe, and come back for more. I've got lots of videos, not just on Excel, but on all sorts of other things from Word, PowerPoint, Access, iPhones, and even a bit of photography and video there as well.